Hey, winter is coming, it's getting cold, and we need to take care of our battery. So I'll show you how to do that and how to do it safely. So this is my regular 12 volt yuasa battery. It's the same type of battery that came with the Kawasaki Vulcan 900 when I bought it in 2007. The only important thing to notice about the battery is that it has a positive side and a negative side, and don't mix them up. So the positive is marked with a plus and the negative is marked with a minus. The charger that I'm using is a CTEK XS 800. It's a Swedish charger. It cost me about, I don't know, maybe 60, 70, 80 bucks or so. It comes with a black and a red clamp, the red one being the positive one and the black being the negative one. This particular charger also comes with another cable, a cable with rings on the end, and this time it's a blue and red cable, the blue being the negative one and the red again being the positive one. Now, before connecting the power cord, I connect the red clamp to the positive side of the battery and the black clamp to the negative side of the battery. So it's similar with the ring cables, again red on positive, and then the blue this time on the negative. And the ring cables will actually sit a little bit better on your battery. They don't fall off during winter or anything like that. And always put the power cord in last. A little indicator light will turn on, and there are three lights. So the exclamation marks means that there's something wrong with your battery. The one in the middle means that your battery is now charging, and the one to the right means that your battery is fully charged and is on maintenance charging. There are a couple of things to be careful about. You should charge your battery in a well ventilated area like a garage. This is because hydrogen gas is produced when charging batteries, and that can be highly flammable. Also, avoid having the clamps touch each other. Sparks will fly. Well, there you have it. It's pretty easy to take care of your battery. Thanks for watching.